Oh, look at that. Beautiful and juicy. Oh, all right, guys. Welcome back to the forest. Welcome back to my retreat on this incredibly wet May weekend. It's the first couple of days I've had off for a little while now, and I'm going to be down here doing a whole bunch of work. I actually pulled the log store apart the last time I was here. I didn't film it. I was just expanding it. It's a dugout log store, but it wasn't finished. It wasn't covered, and I knew this weather was coming, so I had to get down here, cover up, and get a roof back on the log store to protect all of that firewood. Anyway, I'm suitably wet and cold now. I'm very happy this fire is going. Now it's time to cook up a bit of a feast. to accompany tonight's meal, I've gone for a Fuller's London Pride. Oh, yeah, I think that's going to go really well with a couple of ribeye steaks, if I do say so myself. Hello mate, Hank's just come out to join us. How you doing mate? You have a good sleep? He's not a massive fan of the rain, but when there's a couple of slabs of meat on the table, that's enough to drag him out of his hibernation. But these steaks are just going to rest for another 5 minutes. I'm going to get the griddle pan on the go, heat up a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, and yeah, get sizzling. Leave my steaks. Did leave my steaks. Right, I've just taken those steaks off and I'm going to let them rest for a couple of minutes whilst I get the vegetables on the go and a couple of eggs too. Oh, so tantalisingly close. And the rain even seems to be easing up. What a result. We can hear those eggs spitting now. Let's get back to them. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful and juicy. All right, I am absolutely stuffed. I couldn't eat another thing even if I wanted to, which is exactly how I like it, just before bedtime, to be fair. So I'm going to get myself an early night tonight. and I'm going to enjoy the rest of this fire and just try and dry myself out. My clothes are still a little bit damp, but I've got a big day ahead of me tomorrow, finishing the dugout log store, and then a couple little tweaks just to do on the staircase as well. Some of them are sunk in places, so I'll sort that out tomorrow. And I imagine I'll get up bright and early to try and max out the day. Hopefully the weather will be a bit better. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do for breakfast yet, but well, I'm fairly sure it'll be substantial, whatever it is I decide to do. So we'll cook something up over the fire. So if you want to join me for that, then do. And speaking of which, actually, I don't know whether you realise or you've had a little look, but there's over 100 of us now, all sitting around the fire, enjoying a little camp cook up and the progress of this retreat as it unfolds. So I'm 100 subscribers. I think that's pretty cool. It's a nice big round number. So cheers to you all. And here's to many more retreats and cook-ups around the campfire. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. And I'll see maybe some of you in the morning. Bye for now.